Welcome to the Weekly News Tracker, your go-to source for staying informed on the latest real estate happenings around the globe. We've got a sizzling lineup of 6 red-hot headlines to spice up your real estate radar. Let's move on to our first news. Avenue Supermarts, that owns and operates the D-Mart supermarket chain, has purchased a 1.2-acre plot in Mumbai's Chandivli suburb for over ₹117 crore. The industrial building on the plot, measuring 52,765 square feet, currently includes 4 units on the ground floor and 4 units located on the first floor. D-Mart launched its first store in 2002 in Powai, and now operates 365 supermarkets across multiple states in India. The company is swiftly expanding, adding to stores monthly, and it is planning to maintain its target of opening 40 outlets in a financial year. Let's move on to next news. Blackstone Group is in advanced talks to buy Adani Realty's commercial real estate project Inspire BKC, situated on the edge of Mumbai's bustling business district Bandra Kurla complex. US-based private equity major is expected to shell out between ₹1,800 crore to ₹2,000 crore for the office tower with 800,000 square feet space. Adani's real estate division has been exploring options to monetize this 10-story office tower for several years. The office tower's current key tenants include Novartis, Reliance Nippon Life Insurance, Ascendas First Space Development Management, and MUFG Bank. Recently, Div Workspace secured over 62,000 square feet of office space across 7 units in Inspire BKC through a long-term lease agreement lasting 5 years. Previously, Blackstone bought around 650,000 square feet in Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex, 1 BKC, for ₹2,600 crore. Let's move on to next news. Ghost shopping malls are on the rise, with a 59% year-on-year increase in top 8 metros, resulting in 13.3 million square feet of retail space remaining vacant. Ghost malls are defined as malls having a vacancy of more than 40%. The number of these ghost malls has increased to 64 in 2023 from 1957 in 2022. As a result of the rise in ghost shopping centers, Knight Frank estimated the loss of value to be at ₹6,700 crore or $798 million in 2023. NCR accounted for the highest ghost shopping center stock, measuring at 5.3 million square feet, followed by Mumbai 2.1 million square feet. Let's move on to next news. The real estate giant DLF has announced the complete sale of its 795 apartments within just 3 days of launching its latest luxury housing project in Gurugram. The new project, called DLF Privana West, is spread over 12.6 acres, comprising 795 apartments. The average selling price was around ₹7 crore per apartment. In January this year, the company had sold 1,113 luxury apartments in Gurugram for ₹7,200 crore within 3 days of the launch of its project, DLF Privana South, which is spread over 25 acres. Both DLF Privana West and DLF Privana South are part of its 116-acre township, DLF Privana, located in Sector 76 and 77 at Gurugram in Haryana. DLF received expression of interests (EOI) from around 1,550 and 1,600 customers. Let's move on to next news. India's top office markets experienced up to an 8% year-on-year rise in rentals in January to March period, with Delhi NCR leading the pack, as per a report by Colliers. After a pandemic-induced dip, office rentals have rebounded strongly in 2024, surpassing pre-pandemic levels. Occupiers across the Asia-Pacific region are willing to pay higher rentals for superior quality offices, particularly in locations which facilitate talent acquisition. Weighted average quoted, commonly referred to as WAQ rents in Delhi NCR, rose to ₹101 per square feet a month in the first quarter of 2024 from ₹93.3 in the year-ago period. Delhi saw a 6.6% year-over-year rise, followed by Chennai. Pune surged 4.2%, while Mumbai and Bangalore each saw a 4% increase. Let's move on to next news. Microsoft has made a significant investment in India's digital infrastructure by acquiring land in Hyderabad for the construction of a data center. The acquisition for the land parcel, located in Elikatta village, Faruknagar Mandal, Ranga Reddy district, Hyderabad in Telangana, valued at 267 crore rupees, brings the per acre price to around rupee 5.56 crore. In 2022, Microsoft had acquired 3 land parcels in Hyderabad for around rupee 275 crore to establish a data center. Microsoft Corporation, India, had also acquired 11 lakh square feet of commercial plot in Pune from Finalex Industries for a consolidated amount of rupee 329 crore. If you don't want to miss any update of real estate, do subscribe our channel now.